Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering your source images and choosing the right model. This matters because model bias shapes facial features. Once done, crop consistently to a 16:9 or square frame and normalize exposure. This ensures the model trains on comparable inputs. Make sure to keep a RAW backup in case you need to revert. Also, set file names and a simple spreadsheet tracking pose, lighting, and expression so you can iterate quickly without losing context. You now run alignment and augmentation to teach the model consistent anatomy, align eyes and jaw. Misalignment ruins output. Then fine-tune with short runs. Fewer epochs first to check quality because overtraining causes artifacts. Use batch sizes that fit your GPU and watch validation samples every epoch so you can stop when portraits look natural. Once you see consistent identity retention, save checkpoints and export the tuned weights for inference. This keeps a recovery point if a later tweak breaks things. You finish by generating variants and choosing the best outputs. Sample several seeds and use temperature to trade realism for variety. Then refine in an editor. Correct color, retouch stray pixels, and keep skin tones natural. Reasons matter. Small post steps make images believable. If you see ghosting or identity loss, revert to an earlier checkpoint, lower the learning rate, or increase regularization. One key troubleshooting tip: if features drift, mix in 25% or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.